Welcome back to Math 171, Pre-Calculus Algebra. In this video, we're going to talk about using the slope-intercept of the form to graph the equation of a line. So we're given the equation f of x equals negative 3/2 x plus 2. So we can immediately see from the slope-intercept form we talked about in the last video, we have that negative 3/2, which is our slope. And we have plus 2, which tells us the y-intercept is 2. So I go ahead and get my graph together. Now, I know immediately the y-intercept is 2. And I apologize, this graph is most likely not going to be to scale. I can immediately put a point there at 0, 2, because I know the y-intercept's 2. Well, now this m equals negative 3/2 tells me for every 2 spots, I move to the right. I move down 3. So, if I go 2 to the right, I'm going to go down 3. So, 2 to the right, then down 1, 2, 3. And I'll put a dot there. And then technically all I need is 2 points to draw the line. If I wanted to maybe go the other way, doing everything in the opposite, if I go to the left 2, so go to the left, 1, 2, I'm going to go up 1, 2, 3, and put a point there. And now, of course, there's no guarantee that this ends up being a straight line, me freeforming it, or that I actually draw it through the point that I have there. But we get a line that looks something like that. So that is how we use the slope and y-intercept to graph a line. In the next video, we're going to talk about finding both the x and y-intercepts if the equation's written in a different form, and then how we can use those to graph the equation of a line.